Everybody knows that Windows search is too much slow. Not only slow, but it also not search everything in your computer. But we have the best and powerful solution for it. And this solution is everything. Yes, everything. Open your browser and search for everything. Just open it and download its installer. Make sure you have checked this option. It will help us to search from a particular folder. Let's open it. As you can see, we can search everything from our computer in just a fraction of a second. Not only that, there are many features of this software. We can filter our search, any particular type of file which we want to search. But what if we want to replace the Windows search bar? Its best solution is Everything Toolbar. Open your browser and search for Everything Toolbar. Open the first link of GitHub. Click the latest version of it. Let's download it. Now install it by opening its installer. Now we have to search its launcher. Let's do this in Everything. Search Everything Toolbar Launcher. That's it. Let's pin it in the taskbar where we can search everything we want. This is the best and most powerful search solution for Windows. You can find any file in just a fraction of a second. Now there is no need to wait for the slowest Windows search. I hope you enjoyed the video by getting rid of the Windows search. Just hit the subscribe button for more updates about the powerful solutions and tools for your everything.